my channel. Today we will be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, about what we did. It was like a quarantine weekend project. We did it this Memorial weekend and we're pretty excited about it. We really liked how it turned out. I will be inserting some clips, so if you're interested to know what I'm talking about, just keep watching. So I added my moisturizer already, and I prime my face just because you know that I like to let that sit before I do anything else to my face. So since this is gonna be a get ready with me, I will start with my foundation. I might not say everything, so I will say some stuff, but I might not say everything, so I'll link everything down below if you're interested. And I'm gonna start with my foundation, which I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be mixing my MAC foundation and my Estée Lauder foundation. So I'm gonna start with that. And well, the first thing I wanted to talk about is that today I'm actually gonna be out, but it's because I'm gonna go spend the day with my mom. It's her birthday today, so we'll see what we do. I mean, I do have to go to the grocery store for some groceries, so I'll probably just go with her, take her with me, but I just want to spend the whole day with her. I'm gonna spend the whole day with her and see what we do. Maybe grab some coffee. And I also have to take her her present, which might be have to go put it together because it's not even in the bag yet. So I have to do that. And well, that's what we're doing today. After this, I'm heading to my mom's and just gonna be with her. Take her maybe some pictures, put on my Snapchat. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, follow me if you want to keep up with, you know, my life and know a little bit more about me. Follow me on Snapchat. It's it's kind of unique because I have 2 Instagrams, but I use the username for my other Instagram, so that's how you can find me, or just, you know, look for 𝐏𝐑𝐿 Guzman and you should find it. Now I'm gonna add my concealer. I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer. And well, this week is a pretty busy week, but that's usually like every May. This is a really busy week. The reason being is because yesterday was my sister's birthday. No, not yesterday. Monday, the 25th was my sister's birthday, right? She turned 19, my sister's birthday. And today is my mom's. Today's the 27th, today's my mom's. And well, Sunday, it's my birthday, so it's usually a really busy week since our birthdays are so like super close together. So yeah, it's pretty busy. It's a pretty busy week as it is. And on top of that, we started my husband and I started our little project, our little quarantine project. But yeah, I'll talk a little bit more about that because it turned out pretty good. I will insert some clips here and there so you're able to see kind of what we did, because we're really proud of it. I think we did a pretty awesome job. I'll just finish up right here. Now I'm gonna do my powders. I'm going to conceal. We'll be using my Wet n Wild palette, the little one that has the two colors like this. It's the one I usually use, and I just use the banana color on it. I do like to do this before I set my whole face with the no color powder, because that way all the rest of the powders will go on really smoothly after you set everything. And I'm gonna add the no color powder. Over the face. Like I said, our little project that we started was a DIY basically. My husband was looking up how to do because we needed a bench. We wanted a bench and some chairs for our patio in our backyard. So he decided to YouTube it and see if we could, you know, make something ourselves, because I initially wanted this set from IKEA. It's like such a really like pretty set. But since they closed everything on us and shipping is like expensive, so we're like, we could do this, we can make our own thing. So, well, that's what he told me. And then I kind of got on board with it. So I'm like, I mean, once I started seeing how good it was getting, I was actually excited. At first I was like, I don't know how it'll look, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. I mean, I'll actually link down below the video that he got the idea from, because it wasn't our idea, obviously. So I'll link the video down below, and then you guys could check it out if you want. But I mean, so besides being a week of birthdays, I mean, we've also been pretty busy all Memorial weekend doing this, and we're barely finishing up. Yesterday we just barely finished staining them, because after everything was sanded down, we stained them. We did one chair on Monday night just because we wanted to see how they would look stained, and then I did the other chair yesterday. Once I got home from work, we started working on the bench. So for contour, I'm gonna use some of my Anastasia colors from her palette, some of the colors that were left. This one is ash brown. That's the one that I usually use for contouring. So I'm gonna do something just very simple, because, well, I'm only gonna go chill with my mom, so. and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what we were doing this weekend because it was exciting. I mean, like, I know my husband, was able to do this because my husband is like, he's very handy. Like, this guy, I mean, he could do anything. I mean, he DIY'd my vanity mirror. I mean, I don't have like a ring light yet, you know, like the YouTubers do. I don't have that yet. I mean, I want to get one, but I don't have it yet. But the lights of my vanity, like, they work. I think they work just fine. It's what's right in front of me. And he actually just put a dimmer on it, so now I'm able to dim the light. So it's like pretty cool. Look, I'll show you. You see that? So I actually like that. Oh, I just don't know where I had it, but I think I'll leave it there. But yeah, I mean, he's pretty handy when it comes to like making stuff. Like, he's really good at that, my husband. And well, he's the one that got me into this idea. I honestly, I thought the bench was gonna look a little different than how it came out, but I mean, I still like it now. And yeah, I still like it. And once we put on like the actual pillows and everything, I think everything will like just come together and it'll look super nice. And I just can't wait to like try them. Which we wanted to kind of get this project set for this weekend actually, because this weekend I just wanted to do like a little, I mean, I don't want to say party because it's not the exact time for parties. I know for a lot of people to take, and there's not gonna be a lot of people. It's just my family, my immediate family, and a very close friend of mine. So we're planning to do like a little baile basically, because you know we need it. So yeah, it's just to celebrate basically my sister's birthday, my birthday, and my mom's. So I think it'll be pretty fun. And we're thinking of doing some, I don't know, just like a table with like desserts and stuff. It's not gonna be like a full-on party, because we just basically want to put music and just have a good time with my family and stuff. Oh, and get us a cake. Of course we have to have a cake. But yeah, so, but since today's my mom's actual birthday, I actually just wanna, you know, spend time with her, especially because she got this week off. I don't know if she got it off because it's her birthday and my sister's birthday, my birthday, but I mean, she got it off. She just wanted a week off. So I thought that was pretty nice. So since she's home, you know, because she usually goes into work at 12 and she doesn't get home till like 8. So if I don't see her really early in the morning, I really can't see her anymore. So the only times I'm able to see her is early in the morning. And yeah, well, at least for right now, I'm not working. Yeah, like I could see her in the morning, because before I wasn't able to see her in the morning either. But yeah, like, so basically the benches, that's why we wanted to have them done. Benches, we wanted to have them done for this weekend because it's gonna look really nice in our porch. Like, wait, like, okay, this is like this is our, I guess it would say we're like a year and a half in our house. Well, like, since we moved in, it's almost like a year and a half. And well, we really didn't have anything to like chill in the back and just sit and relax. And like the weather's been so nice. Well, Actually, it started getting hot, so it's not that nice anymore because it's getting super hot already. But these past weekends, it was really fresh outside, really nice. Like the breeze was just so nice, and we would just like to be outside in the back, but we really can't because we had nowhere to sit. So it was a little bit upsetting that we couldn't get that set from IKEA, but I mean, I think what we did turned out pretty good. So I already did my eyebrows, just did them off camera real quick because they take me the longest. And I need to add my highlight. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter. That's the highlight I'm gonna use. And like I said, as soon as my husband thought of this idea to build our own chairs and our bench, I was like, you know, it'd be perfect if we get them done before Saturday, because then people will have somewhere to sit on. So I thought that was pretty cool, so that's why we kind of made it our a mission to have it done before Saturday. So I do still need to go get the cushions to put on it and put on the bench. And I think I'll just put some regular pillows, regular couch pillows on the. I'm thinking I'll just put some regular couch pillows on the two chairs. We also want to do a matching table. So I'm adding highlight here and here. I think a matching table will be nice because it will be the whole set. So we want to do the matching table, and he also wants to do these. They're like wood pots, pots for some of our plants. And I told him, we could stain everything the same color, and it'll the whole thing would just look like a set. So I think it'll look pretty nice. It was both our first time staining something, so we really didn't know how it would look, but we actually like how it turned out. It turned out pretty nice. I don't know if I should do some eyeshadow. I probably will, but I'll just do something real quick and simple. Lashes are on. So now I'm gonna apply I'm gonna use Sephora's Kohl pencil in beige. Just to open up my eyes. I'm gonna add the bottom mascara, which I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara because the fine tip on this thing is amazing. Well, that is it, you guys, for this chit chat. Get ready with me about our weekend. Little quarantine weekend project. We're really excited about that. We're excited to try them out this weekend, see how that goes. And well, like I said, I will have linked down below the video that we got the idea from for the benches and chairs, and I will also link down below my eyebrow tutorials in case you're interested in how I fill them in, because I did not include that in here. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions about any of the makeup products or any questions about our DIY project, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.